Benachí a go bhla sé gurí nach gabhastar fuaila seo ríist, agus an dú a carriage códium na gasci teaga, a sin na gopadaid Òran agus a sin ar san gniúsí sí sin Òran a seo cuideach. An táran seo a dhéananig ba Tionatar le fed Ailein MacEachuinn, sé MacEachuinn a bheann, agus MacEachuinn do Rugadh an dean dúis, ach by Bràigh and an Ailein Cheap Breatunn, agus seòladair a bheann. So we're going to teach you a song now. I'm joined by the Eoghainn. They're going to give me a hand. And this song is a bit old. It was composed by Ailein MacEachuinn. He was a MacEachuinn, probably born in Scotland, but grew up in Bràigh in Inverness County, Cape Breton. He was a sailor, and he was a bard. He had a brother, Rinn was a bard, and he had sister Clementine was a female bard. And he was out sailing in 1873 in the Grand Banks of Newfoundland when the August Gale hit, which was an awful storm at sea. The August Gale knocked houses off of their foundations on land, and even drove some ships up off land into fields and that. So it was awful, and his crew survived the night through the storm. So after that happened, he composed this little ditty of a song, and I learned it from Seamus Mackay, Jimmy McKay of Kingsville. Jimmy had learned it from his mother, who would be a relation to this Ailein MacEachuinn. So for all we know, maybe she heard it from the bard himself. And the chorus is pretty easy. The first part is just vocables, which are Gaelic sounds, and it's illu, ilio, illean is o. Illean is, you'd say, oh boys, or oh lads, if you're having them. Next line is illu, ilio, h-oidhche me and cattle. H-oidhche me and cattle. I didn't get to sleep. I didn't get good sleep because he was in the middle of a storm. And then you repeat the first line again. Illu, ilio, illean is o. And I'm going to get the Gashkis to join me, just teaching the chorus. I'm going to sing the line once, and the Gashkis will sing it back to me. Illu, ilio, illean is o.
Illu, ilio, illean is o.
Illu, ilio, h-oidhche me and cattle.
Illu, ilio, h-oidhche me and cattle.
Illu, ilio, illean is o.
Illu, ilio, illean is o.
And the first verse, there's 5 verses, 2 lines apiece. Very easy type of song to learn. So the first is, I'll give you the English rundown. It was early Sunday morning that I wished I was back home, where there would be the cheery frolics, kind of parties, working frolics, and fellows peeling off, going to fight. I guess fighting was part of the culture back in the day. You boys who slept the night, be thankful in the morning. Me here, climbing masts on the ship, and you snoring under the blanket. And the last is, when I go to Bràigh, I will remember Saturday night. So the Gaelic is Saon h-Aibhneadh voich gitánich, gordich me vi Eoghainn. Farambig na frolican sundach, is fid gan rúscug dáha hapich. Ian a chatil a-muigh, Ian a chatil a-muigh, bíomh tangal ounce of vatin. Misha Shaw, a jídug chraun, is shisha taring straun fun fwachi. Is nuad a h-Aibhneadh Bràigh b-MacEachuinn h-oidhche Harn. So maybe we'll go line about again. I'll sing it, you guys give it back. And as I told Nagashki Eoghainn, when you're just running over a song, rather than singing the whole chorus, you just sing one line of the chorus if you can. So, illu, ilio, illean is o.
Illu, ilio, illean is o.
Saon h-Aibhneadh voich gitánich,
Saon h-Aibhneadh Vatin Boishadani.
Gortich mi viekavalla.
Gortich mi viekavalla.
Ilio, Eoghainn so.
Ilio, so.
Farum big na frolican sundach.
Farum big na frolican sundach.
Sfid garús gugdáwa hapich. Sfid garús
gugdáwa hapich.
Ilio, Eoghainn so. Eoghainn a chailein h-oidhche. Bíomh teaghlach sa bhatain. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Mhic seo a ddír a chrawn. Is síomh se taring strawn fan fhaiti. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Nuair a h-Aibhneadh a Thàinig. Bí MacEachuinn a athar. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Lefa, agus an gabh sin seo ulla, Guy? Ulla dún còmhla, okay? So we're all going to sing it together now. And we're going to put a little more swing to it as well, the way it should be sung. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Sound at matting voice, chitani, gortich mi, viekavalla, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Farum big na frolican sundach. Sfid garús gugdáwa hapich. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Eoghainn a chailein h-oidhche. Bíomh teaghlach sa bhatain. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Mhic seo a ddír a chrawn. Is síomh se taring strawn fan fhaiti. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Nuair a h-Aibhneadh. Bí MacEachuinn a athar. Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Ilio, h-oidhche, Ilio, Eoghainn so. Tap it.